Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to my channel. I, Mrs. Shilpa Kiranwani, your teacher for class 2nd. My dear students, today we are going to learn GK, General Knowledge, lesson number 3, the insect world. Are you all imagining what our teacher is teaching us about insects? But today I am going to tell you some facts of our insects which we do not know, which you do not know. Do you know, children, that insects are the largest animal group on earth? जितने भी एनिमल्स है उन सबसे ज़्यादा इंसेक्ट्स है. Some insects we can see with our naked eyes and some are there which we cannot see with our naked eyes. कुछ इंसेक्ट्स हम देख सकते हैं जैसे कि इंसेक्ट्स एंड, हाउस फ्लाई, butterfly. We love to see the butterfly. You all feel very happy when you see the butterfly. That is also come in the insect group. Silkworm, termite, grasshopper. There are many insects are there. There is no animal larger than insects. About 85% of whole animal kingdom is made of insects. 85% of the whole animal kingdom is made of insects. They are everywhere. Insects are everywhere. When we breathe, some insects are going in our body. So they are in our air, they are in the soil, they are in water, they are on grass, they are everywhere. And you know the things that are common in insects? They are small. You all know that insects are smaller than the animals or birds. They all have 6 legs. सभी insects को 6 legs है and they are small. They move quickly in their environment. They move quickly in their environment. अगर वो उड़ने वाले हैं, they fly. If they are flying, they fly fast. So some insects are like ladybird. You know, children, it is like a friend for the farmer because this insect, this ladybird, eat more than 5,000 of insects on the plant which are harmful. जो अपने plants को नुकसान करते वैसे insects more than 5,000 it eats on a day, in a day. And even silkworm. These insects also help us by giving a fiber सिल्क. जो हम सिल्क का कपड़ा, जो तुम्हारी मम्मी सिल्क की साड़ी पहनते हैं, जो हम लोग सिल्क के ड्रेस पहनते हैं, विच लुक्स वेरी रिच. सो दैट क्लॉथ, दैट फाइबर वी गेट फ्रॉम silkworm. This worm gives us the fiber silk. And a housefly, can you see this housefly? This spread disease. It is harm for us. This spread many disease. If it sits on the food, it spread so many insects on that food. And if the same food we eat, अगर अपना खाना खुला, इसलिए हम हमेशा खाना ढक के रखते हैं और जहाँ पे हाउस फ्लाई रहते हैं हम वहाँ पे खाने के लिए नहीं बैठते. It spread the disease. It is harmful for us. Mosquito. This also spread disease. It sucks our blood. ये अपना खून पीता है and it spread the disease. We get many disease by this mosquito. Now you can see this bee. This bee gives us produce a honey. This honey bee produce. It is called honey bee. This honey bee produce honey which is very good for our health. In many medicines we use this bee. So there are still many insects like cockroach, butterfly, and all these insects comes in the category, all these comes in the category of insects. So still there are many more insects. Now in our lesson they have given column A and column B. Now what they have asked, they have given in column A they have given some insects name, and we have to match it correctly in column B with its features. Now first one is ladybird. As I told you that ladybird, it feed on the bugs that destroy our plants. जो अपने plants को नुकसान करता है, it eats them. Yes children. And second is silkworm. This silkworm, as I told you that silkworm gives us silk. Silkworm gives us silk. Next is housefly. Housefly, they do not bite. वो हमें काटता नहीं है. मक्खियाँ जो रहती है वो हमें काटती नहीं है, but it spread the disease. We get many more disease. It spread the many insects in it which are stuck in its leg. And here the fourth is mosquito. The female mosquito suck our blood and often carries off disease. The female mosquito, the female suck our blood and they are often carries off disease. And the fifth one is honeybee. As I told you that honeybee, they produce honey. Children, still there are many more insects like termite, grasshopper, butterfly. All these are insects. Okay children, now I am going to give you the homework. See the pics and complete your homework till your next class. Okay children, till then, thank you, take care.